Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. Over and 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 over again. Our minds are gardens, Garden of Eden. In order to produce produce in our garden, we must consistently water, nourish, and tend to our land. Look, the sun is shining on your garden. What a beautiful, powerful day. Tending to your mind, to your garden, takes delicate, deliberate care and focus. When we think about the mind, we assume just because we consciously remember something or we heard it before, we know it.
Nope.
No, we probably can regurgitate the information back to others, can memorize it for some spiritual exam, test it and grade it by ourselves. But that doesn't mean a motherfucking thing. That shit is for your ego. And that ego should be checked at the door when we're talking about spiritual workers. Take that shit to the trap house. With that being said, fuck woke, do work.
Die.
Fuck woke, do work should be the basis and standard of the chaos being. I don't even like calling it work because it shouldn't be deemed as something hard or challenging. But like work, it should be recognized as consistent and persistent. Gotta clock in to get paid, my nigga. When you found some information that you resonate with, it's one thing to believe that because you watched the video once or twice, read the book that one summer, your understanding is done. Yeah, your subconscious mind got it, and it's storing that information for you to get ready to move. But today, we're switching it up a bit. Instead of riding with spirit, subconscious mind, to get to your chaos energy, I want you to think consciously, deliberately, intentionally watering your garden, feeding your mind, over and over and over and over and over again. No, not to make it stick in your subconscious mind. No, your spirit got it and is ready to play. But to impress on your conscious mind that this is what we're doing right now. This is the vibration I'm riding with forever and a day. Vibration, a person's emotional state, the atmosphere of a place, or the association of an object as communicated to and felt by others. The Kabbalion. Vibration. Nothing rests. Everything moves. Everything vibrates. At the most fundamental level, the universe and everything which comprises it is pure vibratory energy, manifesting itself in different ways. The universe has no solidity as such. Matter is merely energy in a state of vibration. So when we're being deliberate about our vibration, we're deliberately choosing to listen to this information over and over and over and over and over again. Not because we don't know it or we're trying to memorize it, but because we're putting ourselves in a vibrational zone that challenges our now.
Message.
In order to shift your consciousness into doing the work, you must be deliberate about watering your garden. This is putting power to action. The more you hear this stuff and watch these videos, the more you move in the directional space of doing it now. For example, I would listen to Bobby videos over and over and over again. Blog Talk with Miss Blue and Bobby was on repeat. I literally kept reading Wayne Chandler's book, Ancient Future, The Magician, Philip Cooper, and even Panic's book over and over and over and over again. Audiobooks is God, and if you search for particular books on YouTube, you can find them. I knew Panic's class so good that I damn near memorized Drunk Sis and Kenny's words. It's not about memorizing or remembering this information. It's about putting yourself in a vibrational zone so you can start moving in your work. These videos, these audios are putting you in a space of positive thinking, moving you in the energy of self-love and knowing thyself. If you constantly listen to this information about loving thyself, well, what do you think you're going to be on? That's right, loving thyself. It's not about you consciously knowing it. It's about you subconsciously moving. It's not about you consciously knowing it. It's about you subconsciously moving. It's not about you consciously knowing it. It's about you subconsciously moving. Now listen, we're talking about being deliberate about your vibration and watering your garden over and over and over again with positivity. If you constantly watching trash shows and looking at gossip sites, what does that say about you? The mirroring effect. This information should be mantras in your ears. That way you can stay the course, have a healthy and strong garden, and be sitting on top of the world. Dream wise.